On today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for code.org website and join Mr. Rustam's programming class on there. So we will use this website to do some exercises on programming. So to get to that page, you can go on our training training site, and then under day one, under lecture, learning activities. Second one is signing up for Mr. Rustam's class on code.org. So please use this link to go on code.org. You can also directly type code.org, and it is going to take you to this website. On this website, please click on sign in and use continue with Google, and use your school provided or your personal Gmail account to log in. So when you are signed up with Google, as you can see, you will see your name. So you need to scroll down, all the way down, and then put the code that is provided on our school, on our site in here. So the code for the site is so let's see the code as well. So this is the code. We'll go back and scroll down again, and then put that code in here. And you will be automatically part of Express course, and you will be able to use the assigned exercises in here. Thank you very much.